All right, guys, this is a watch list video for Tuesday, February 4th. And the SPY, big gap down today on the tariff scare, and then a nice little rebound. Let me throw this up real quick. New members, please pause the video and read that. And I'm taking it away. All right, so here we go. This is, well, let me give a hat tip. OKLO, Kevin P. Nice call, Kevin. Let's look at it real quick. Big day. I mean, gap down in a bullish engulfing. Let's go to 5-minute candles real quick. And Kevin gave the idea over 45. You can see this early high right here. That's not it. Right there, 44.87. And that's after it kind of popped, pulled back, and then really showed how strong it was, right? So topped at 44.87. Kevin clearly said in chat he'd like to see it break 45. Look what happens when it broke 45. Goes to 47.40 without ever looking back. I would argue the stop was only 35 cents below and it made a $2.40 move. And then let me show you NVNI. I'm going to give a hat tip to me. I mentioned this over Friday's high, which was 571, I believe. Yeah, right there. You can kind of see Friday's high right there. It opened down here. Said if it breaks Friday's high, I'll put the horizontal line there. Which it broke right there. Worst case stop down there, about 35 cents also. It did flag for a while. Some people may have hit out without it hitting the stop, and also you could have grabbed this flag break right here. Either one was a good entry. Went to 686 from a 572 entry. So there's a couple good ones today. I didn't write down all of them. I just wanted to, actually I've got something I got going, so I got to make this short and sweet. Excuse me, I'm choking here. Let's talk about what we're watching for tomorrow. Remember, we're watching for possible day trades. So these charts, none of this is investment advice. It's all about intraday trades. This one's extended, had 2 big days, and nobody knows why, but I'm going to watch it anyway. NVNI is a recent runner. Already talked about the call in chat today. Well, it's kind of interesting now that today it topped out at 686, and you look to the left, and the most recent high is 745. Had this crazy move back here. Could be some shorts confounded in this one, so I still like that for a potential long. DWTX, kind of a sleeper pick. It had this crazy move. Does seem to have found support though, and had a kind of a decent looking candle today. RCAT held support. You kind of have a double bottom from here, and had a headline, I believe, with PLTR. So that might get it going tomorrow. If you look at intraday, you can kind of see the pop. The daily chart doesn't look like much. But that's where the news came out, and it ended up closing strong, and I guess now moving higher in after hours, because PLTR, by the way, is almost $100. It's at 99.05. We can just look at that real quick. They reported earnings in after hours. Look at that move. So PLTR hitting new all-time highs. So maybe one to watch. It's not on my list, but okay. OKLO. Let me go back to the daily charts here. Extended, right? But it had this gap down in this big bullish engulfing, so we are going to watch that. And then if that one continues, I really like the looks of this LTBR chart, which ran with it last time. Now it's put in a lower high at 996. Today's high 950. I love this over 950 tomorrow, knowing that we've got 996 and 1045 as potential catalysts on the chart to the left. BKSY. Friday, again, they had a big contract awarded here, and it gave it back, but now it's starting to turn back up. And today, inside of Friday's high. So you have a potential stat catalyst scenario there. DECK, let me switch charts real quick on this one. Okay, I wanted to go to one that I had the 200-day on, which it, by the way, bounced off of nicely here, and has gotten down here in a hurry. So I really like a potential bounce off this area tomorrow. So that goes on bounce watch. UPS goes on bounce watch. And again, we're day traders. We're just looking for a snapback bounce. And BBIO had a really nice move back here, and it's kind of rolling over, but that one also could give a nice snapback bounce. That's it for me. I will see you guys in pre-market as we build a list of gappers tomorrow. Have a good night.